This is a Lenovo IdeaPad S410P Touch. So we're gonna open this laptop to replace the defective hard disk drive or HDD. So yung mga old hard drive like this one is a 2.5 inch with SATA 3 ports. Okay. So yan yung SATA 3. This one. So we will replace this yung nakuha natin sa market na Western Digital 240GB SSD. Okay, so difference nila is, well, sa HDD, sa disk or sa platter natin ini-store yung mga data. So the faster ang pag-rotate ng disk or ng platter, okay, so doon nagde-determine kung gaano kabilis nagta-transfer yung files or i-read and i-write yung mga system files or files ng ating laptop. So with solid state drive or yung ating SSD, this one has a NAND flash memory. So just think of it like a USB na nilagyan natin ng SATA 3 port. So para mag-swap siya sa ating laptop, so internally. So that's how you replace the hard disk. So very easy, napakadali. Okay, just a little unscrewing and screwing, and then you have already your replacement. Okay. So we'll fix it or we'll screw it para it will hold sa loob ng laptop. Then we'll just cover it. Okay, so after covering, we'll try to install. Okay, I'm just wondering din, I thought it will be fast sa pag-install, but unexpectedly, yung bilis ng installation is almost the same ng pag-install natin sa HDD. So it will take at least 15 to 20 minutes to install the Windows 10 OS. So we will just do a time lapse here para mabilis ang ating demonstration. With the SSD installed, we are expecting na mabilis siyang mag-boot up, mabilis siyang mag-shutdown, and well, hindi ko na siguro de-demonstrate, but as promised ng SSD, even when you open the applications inside your Windows 10, so mabilis din ang pag-open ng ating mga application. So we'll press the power button here, and then let's do a timer here how fast it will boot. So bago makating sa ating login page. Well, that's 10 seconds below. And then let's try to shut it down. So tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis. Okay, shut down and timer begins. Hey, that's less than 3 seconds. So that was fast. And thank you all for watching.